Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 how to change your profile status on GitHub using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a GitHub account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to GitHub, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then to change the status, click on set status. And now we can write something, let the people know who are on the page we are busy, clear status, never, keep it the same way. For the moment, I'll just say working from home. Set status. And now we have officially changed the status on our profile on GitHub, so we can quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.